Welcome to our tutorial on how to create dynamic sliders for your WordPress site. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at crafting different types of sliders, from compact sliders to full-screen ones. But before we dive in, this video is proudly sponsored by Appmaker, the innovative WordPress plugin that effortlessly converts WooCommerce websites into native mobile apps for both Android and iOS. To start off, we need the slider plugin. Simply click the link below this video, which will take you to the plugin's download page. Once there, click download. Your download will begin momentarily. With the plugin downloaded, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins, then click on add new, click upload plugin, and locate the downloaded file. Click install now, followed by activate plugin. After the installation, you will notice a new option called Smart Slider. Click on it and you will see two choices: manually create a slider or choose a design from the template library. To expedite this process, we'll choose from the template library. You will see a plethora of designs with both free and premium options. Return to your WordPress site, decide where you want the slider to appear, and click Edit with Elementor. Navigate to the desired position, click the plus icon, and find the Smart Slider element. Drag and drop the Smart Slider element to your page and choose the slider you just created. To save, click Update. Voila! Your slider is live on your site. Sliders can immensely elevate the visual appeal on your WordPress site. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. And remember, if you are thinking of converting your WooCommerce website into a mobile app, Appmaker is your best bet. Happy designing!